We need to be the one showing others the right way, and then also others will follow when they will see that it's possible. I'm Petra from Slovenia, and I'm a founder of Park Istra organization. We started this project 11 years ago, and what we do is that we have a volunteer center that hosts at all times 16 volunteers from all around the world. And our main mission is basically to help local communities to respond to the needs of the local environment. We started this project because we were inspired by some other project, basically the project that happened in India. It was a reforestation project. A community of volunteers was planting the tropical mixed forest. And it was so beautiful, you know, what that was happening here. We were doing something good for the world. We were like sharing knowledge with each other. And at that time I felt, that's it. This is how I want my life to look like. So when we came back, okay, it took us some time that we started Park Istra, but the dream was strong, so we really knew where to go and what we want to do. But our project is very different from the Indian one. Of course, it is community, not a permanent community of volunteers, but basically we don't have our own projects, but we are helping others. So basically different organizations, people in need, they are calling us if they need help, and then we go and help. So every day we do 2 to 4 different volunteering actions, helping on different projects. The beginnings were hard. It was a challenge because people didn't know us, you know, they didn't know that they can count on us. But now with years, now we are here for 11 years, they already know and they call by themselves. So you really need to be persistent and present. So this continuosity is really important when you are doing these kind of things. For us, you know, to develop constantly is a must. Like I always say, like deep inside, I'm always like, I want to have the best project, volunteering project in the whole world. I need to grow, I need to develop, and I want to share so that other people see how important these kind of practices are, that it's possible to do something like that, and that it's a great need for it. It's really important for us to meet, to share knowledge with each other, also for other ambassadors or those who initiators that are working in rural areas. It's important that they know that they can get also volunteer support, you know, that there are European funds dedicated to this, you know, so that they can maybe also involve volunteering to put their practice into reality. So I think we can all grow and learn from each other. Our wish or a dream is that there would be more projects like that all around Europe. Really, every region would need this kind of project. So of course, we need to spread the word about it. So this is one thing. And the other thing is that we need to collaborate, and partnerships are really important when you are doing this kind of things. It's not easy. Sometimes they think that we are crazy, but we need to follow our dreams, and we just need to keep going, you know. It will be ups and downs, but if you believe in what you are doing, you will succeed. We need to support each other, we need to share and do whatever is in our hands to make the world a better place, and at first be the change that we want to see in the world, you know. So we need to be the one showing others the right way, and then also others will follow when they will see that it's possible.